Hey man, say man, it's your boy Mike Makes Money, and I'm making this video today outside in the sun. There's gonna be a lot of noises. If you don't want to watch, it's cool, and if you do, cool too. So I guess yeah. I mean, I just been thinking lately. I just really want to become a YouTuber, mostly because I just want to make money. Mostly that's the main reason I'm doing it, but it kind of sucks too because like when you become a YouTuber, you had to put yourself out there, put your personality so other people can watch, entertain other people, and give them like a lot of time that you have, and it's kind of hard, like especially like when you do a lot of things like me being an athlete. I'm not the best, but I still do it anyway. Every time I get free time is such a blessing. Like if you go to sports every single day, like after that you're done and you're tired and like you just don't want to make content. And you have to make content if you want to become social media famous or famous online. And you just had to spend so much time that you might not have, and you're already tired, so you're not going to be putting the best content out there. And I guess this isn't a job meant for me. I'm not trying to put myself out there so millions of people can watch. And especially like if just young people just start watching me. Mostly because I don't want to influence young people. I don't want them to look up to me. I don't really want nobody to look up to me. But I'm kind of fine with millions, thousands of people just listening to what I have to say. But I don't really care about what other people have to say. I think that's a weird thing. But I guess that's why I'm doing YouTube. Just trying to make some money. And I can't really make any money any other way because it's a COVID pandemic, stuff like that.